In the recent days, Verge, a YouTube channel and massive website, decided to release a video, How to Build a PC, which completely triggered every YouTuber out there. We have every major YouTuber putting a spin on their video and reviewing their own video, saying how terrible it is and how misinformed they are. And this was all warranted. The video was terrible, but reacting to this video is frankly the Reddit equivalent of shitting on Logan Paul. It's low-hanging fruit. You can't go wrong with it. It's a video in which literally everyone is on the same side. The video was terrible. There is no sane person who would dare say that the video is actually good. But I'm not here to bash the video. Literally every tech YouTuber has done this, and frankly, I'm sick of seeing so much of the same content. No, my friends, I am here to bash the response to the fallout of everything. As a response, they have released an official statement saying, "Last week, The Verge published a video on how to build a gaming PC. Today, we're putting the video off our YouTube and Facebook page because it contains some minor factual errors that in some do not meet our editorial standards." You don't say. I also want to reiterate that The Verge has zero tolerance for internet harassment campaigns. Internet harassment campaigns. And that we will automatically disregard any feedback that appears to be in bad faith or part of such a campaign. Yeah, guys, we're just gonna ignore all the bad feedback and just go to the good feedback, because that's the only thing we care about. But the whole cherry on the cake is that they pulled a race card. They go on to say, but over the weekend, multiple people on our staff have been subject to a wave of attacks, including hundreds of racist attacks on the host of the video. Oh my god. Jeez, you guys gotta... They can't stoop any lower. They just pulled out a race card. You guys are being racist to the guy because of how we built the PC. Man, what? This is exactly how not to handle a shitty video. At this point, I just can't take it anymore. First of all, you released a bad video. You are the one at fault because you couldn't man up and handle your shit. Your video was complete trash. You removed the dislike/like ratio from the video and disabled the comments. There's no such thing as feedback for you guys. What feedback are you talking about? And the worst part about all of this is that they're taking advantage of the internet. The internet is so broad, they can just cherry pick some comments that are saying racist things and just make it to their own version of events. And this is, well, the internet. So to sum it all up, you just blamed the whole internet for being racist and blamed us for not embracing your shitty video. Great job, guys. Round of applause, round of applause. The worst part is that this is a massive company who does not know how to even build a computer. Has no one seen the video before it was uploaded? What the hell? Like, there's so many videos on how to build a computer. Why the hell did you not waste 10 minutes of your life viewing a video just for research? You claim to be an editor, but editors are supposed to do the research before they start yapping their mouth. All in all, this is a major fuck up for Verge. I hope that their subscriber counts drop and they do not bounce back, because the way they handled everything was completely wrong. What more is that the host for this atrocity holds his own stream where he had this to say.
I've been better, but you know, I'm streaming. I'm doing good. It's a Sunday morning. We're playing Black Ops.
Why'd you say you could be better? What's going on, man? You all good?
Yeah, I work for a big publication. Basically, I made a PC video, and some very angry nerds are very angry with how I built the computer, but it still works, so...
Oh, so you're just getting hated on because they're like, oh, well, if you would have plugged it in here, it would have saved some,
That's exactly what they're doing. And I mean, like, everything that they mentioned was corrected after the fact as well, but, like, it's not my first computer, and, you know, it still fucking works. It's a better computer than probably what most of them have, and that might be elitist, but it's the truth.
Hey, you know what? Haters gonna hate, just drink that Gatorade.
Yep, and play Black Ops.
Exactly.
Did you guys hear what I just heard? I made a PC video and some very angry nerds were very angry with how I built the computer, but it still works. You're right, guys. My car is not street legal. I went in and they told me that they would not remove my sticker and my car was not safe to be on the road. But hey, it still works, guys. This is 2018. Being a nerd isn't a bad thing. You're yourself a nerd. You obviously lied about your credentials on your resume because nobody is dense enough to not know how to build a computer. And nobody is dense enough to not know the difference between zip ties and tweezers.
Applicator, an Allen wrench, some tweezers to tighten up the wires, a Swiss...
Wait, did he just call those tweezers? Did he just call those tweezers? That's a zip tie. How in God's name is my English better than his? What the tweezer? That's for the eyebrow. With the PP. What the?
A Swiss Army knife, which hopefully has a Phillips head screwdriver in it. And
wait, a Swiss Army knife that hopefully you hope it has a screwdriver. What's he saying? All you need to build a PC is an Allen wrench and a hope. No, that's a stupid idea. Get the real screwdriver. You should ditch Aaron and get with Philip.
He later goes on to say how it is not his first computer and it still fucking works again, but he clearly had someone else build that first computer because his build was straight up trash. Finally, he's lying to his teeth, just like he did about his resume. He says the most annoying and idiotic thing to date. He claims that it's still a better computer than what most everyone else has. And he goes on to say that it's elitist and it's the truth. Like, what an actual dick. He probably didn't pay for these parts. They were all funded by the company card. If anything, using high-end computer parts should have made it a lot easier to build a computer. Am I not right here? The case he had over there was specially made for cable management. And you saw how that turned out. Look, I'm putting it up screen. It's complete trash. And all these parts should have made building the PC just better because you're paying a premium for higher end parts. Saying that this computer is better has nothing to do with his inability to do basic research on how to build a computer. This kid is an idiot, straight up, no doubt about it. Just because your $2,000 computer is better than somebody else's doesn't mean you know more about computers than others, and you shouldn't be absolved of all blame, especially of making a shitty video. I honestly hope that he gets punished for what he has done, and some lesson is implanted in his brain, because it comes down to this. He fucked up. He made bad content, which everybody called him out on. Instead of apologizing, he throws the blame on the audience for his minor factual details, and even goes on to bitch about it on stream. What a whiny little bitch. Can we also give a hand for the guy he's talking to on the stream? He sounds completely drunk. Good job, guys. This is my view on that little editor's comments. Just terrible, man. Thanks for watching.